When concealed carry receives careful consideration, the revolver remains a proven option in an ever more crowded firearms market. The following 8 handguns occupy positions at the apex of contemporary revolver design, each delivering a particular set of strengths aimed squarely at personal defense. From featherweight polymer builds to precisely machined stainless steel frames, the current selection maps the evolutionary path of defensive wheel guns. Priorities such as ammunition capacity, deep concealment, or uncompromising stopping power receive equal attention across the lineup, and reliable performance becomes the overriding metric when lives depend on split-second decisions. Number 8. Kimber K6S Double Action Single Action. Kimber Engineering presents a full-size defensive revolver built around proven principles and modern refinements. The cylinder accepts the potent .357 Magnum cartridge, producing meaningful terminal effect, while ergonomics and trigger engineering preserve practical shootability. A dual-mode trigger system enables deliberate single-action shots for precision and rapid double-action cycles for high-stress encounters. Non-stacking trigger geometry ensures a consistent double-action pull weight in the neighborhood of 9.5 to 11.5 pounds, paired with a single-action break falling between 3¼ and 4¼ pounds. The 4-inch barrel strikes an effective compromise between muzzle velocity and concealability, and target-adjustable sights permit confident aiming at extended distances. All stainless construction provides lasting toughness, while tasteful engraving offers aesthetic detail without degrading function. An extended combat grip with diamond checkering and finger grooves secures control during recoil recovery. 6-cylinder capacity supplies an immediate tactical advantage over traditional 5-shot wheel guns, and a weight of 29 ounces helps absorb Magnum recoil. A green fiber optic front sight accelerates target acquisition across varied lighting environments. At a price point around $1,200, the Kimber K6S Double Action Single Action represents a premium defensive package intended for shooters who demand top-tier materials and precision craftsmanship. Number 7. Smith & Wesson Model 442. Simplicity and reliability meet in a classic snub-nose design that prioritizes concealment and dependable function. An aluminum frame yields a carry weight of approximately 14 6/10 ounces, allowing easy concealment while maintaining the proven durability associated with the J-frame lineage, dating back to 1950. The hammerless, spurless profile eliminates snag hazards during emergency draws, and a double-action-only trigger mechanism delivers consistent operation under stress. Chambering accepts the 3/8 special cartridge, which performs well with both standard pressure and +P loadings. A barrel length of 1 88/100 inches produces sufficient defensive velocities, while keeping overall length near 6 3/100 inches. Integral sights preserve a low profile and snag-free presentation, though mastery of point of impact requires practice training. A polymer grip reduces overall mass and supplies control during rapid-fire strings. A matte black finish resists corrosion and minimizes reflectivity in low-light conditions. The combination of an aluminum frame and a stainless steel barrel balances minimal weight with structural longevity across thousands of practice rounds. Cylinder capacity of 5 rounds encourages disciplined shot placement, a factor that often outweighs raw capacity in real-world defensive encounters. At a retail figure around $530, the Model 442 delivers exceptional value as a backup weapon, off-duty carry option, or primary concealed carry choice for those prioritizing straightforward operation and absolute reliability. Number 6. Ruger LCRX. Ruger Innovation produced a radical lightweight revolver that reframes expectations for defensive handguns. A monolithic aluminum frame constructed from aerospace-grade 7000 series alloy achieves impressive strength-to-weight ratios once thought unattainable. Carry weight rests near 13.5 ounces, allowing comfortable daily carry without sacrificing functional reliability. Chambering accepts 3/8 special +P ammunition, addressing modern defensive load demands while preserving manageable recoil for most shooters. A patented friction-reducing cam creates a smooth, non-stacking trigger signature that materially improves potential accuracy. A polymer fire control housing trims weight while holding component alignment shot after shot. An extensively fluted stainless steel cylinder further reduces mass without compromising structural integrity. A Hogue Tamer monogrip diminishes perceived recoil through material engineering and ergonomic shaping. An exposed hammer permits single-action operation when an aimed precision shot becomes necessary. A replaceable pinned ramp front sight allows customization for varying lighting conditions and shooter preferences. Physical corrosion resistance receives enhancement from a PVD coating on the cylinder. A barrel of 1 87/100 inches keeps velocities practical while preserving compact overall dimensions. An overall length of 6.5 inches enables deep concealment in appropriate carry setups. At approximately $730, the LCRX packages cutting-edge materials and engineering for shooters who prize innovation and minimal carry weight. Number 5. Smith & Wesson Model 66. Raw Magnum performance pairs with refined manufacturing in a medium-frame revolver that chambers the .357 Magnum round. The K-frame architecture boasts a long professional history of service among military and law enforcement beginning in the late 19th century, establishing a legacy of reliability under demanding conditions. A 4 1/4-inch barrel enhances ballistic performance while keeping the handgun within a size envelope that some concealed carriers will accept. All stainless construction resists corrosion and extends service life. A combined single-action and double-action trigger arrangement provides operational flexibility, enabling carefully aimed shots when time permits and rapid double-action responses during defensive engagements. Cylinder capacity of 6 rounds supplies an extra margin for error compared with 5-shot alternatives. A red ramp front sight quickens target acquisition, and an adjustable rear sight enables zero refinement for various ammunition types. A carry weight near 36 9/10 ounces demands dedication for daily carry, yet the additional mass significantly mitigates Magnum recoil. The .357 Magnum chambering accepts 3/8 special practice loads as well as full-power Magnum defensive ammunition. An overall length around 9 6/10 inches complicates concealment, but remains possible with carefully chosen holster systems and wardrobe. At roughly $999, the Model 66 represents formidable firepower for shooters prepared to accept size and weight trade-offs in exchange for superior terminal performance and proven durability. Number 4. Ruger SP101. Ruger design emphasizes strength and longevity throughout a revolver, built to endure heavy use. Solid stainless steel construction combines with a triple locking cylinder system that secures at front, rear, and bottom positions, ensuring precise alignment and reliable timing through extensive firing cycles. Chambering accepts the .357 Magnum round, offering serious stopping power while permitting economical practice with 3/8 special ammunition. A carry weight at approximately 26 ounces strikes a healthy balance between manageable weight and effective recoil control. A barrel length of 2 1/4 inches balances muzzle velocity against concealment needs, and 5-groove rifling aids bullet stabilization for practical accuracy. Cushioned rubber grips featuring black synthetic inserts remove exposed metal from the backstrap area, improving comfort and reducing shooter fatigue during extended training sessions. A transfer bar safety mechanism protects against accidental discharge, even when the hammer rests on a loaded chamber. Integrated subassemblies allow field stripping without special tools, simplifying routine maintenance and cleaning. A pinned front sight remains replaceable if damaged, while an integral rear sight preserves a smooth, snag-free profile. Ruger robust construction tolerates regular use of Magnum ammunition without timing or wear issues. An adaptable grip frame accepts aftermarket options for shooter personalization. With an approximate retail of $920, the SP100 suits owners who demand maximum durability and Magnum performance inside a compact, concealable package. Number 3. Rock Island Armory M206. Budget considerations do not mandate a sacrifice in baseline reliability when evaluating the M206 for concealed carry duty. A utilitarian, no-frills design sheds extraneous features and focuses on dependable, essential function. A spurless hammer prevents snagging during quick draws, and a fully shrouded 2-inch barrel creates clean lines while delivering adequate velocity for 3/8 special defensive loads. Fixed front sight and a smooth channel-cut rear sight keep manufacturing costs low while delivering acceptable accuracy for typical defensive ranges. Checkered wood grips provide traditional aesthetics and secure purchase during rapid-fire sequences. Parkerizing offers reasonable corrosion protection and reinforces a utilitarian appearance that keeps production costs substantially lower than stainless alternatives. Function over form design philosophy yields a reliable defensive tool that performs when called upon. With a street price near $250, the M206 opens wheelgun ownership to shooters operating on tight budgets. Practical roles for the M206 include first defensive handgun, backup piece, or truck gun that supplies peace of mind without heavy financial burden. Number 2. Smith & Wesson 640 Pro. Low-light engagements present unique challenges for defensive encounters, and an integrated night sight system directly addresses those challenges in a compact J-frame package. The cylinder accepts the potent .357 357 Magnum cartridge, while the overall package maintains concealability at a carry weight near 23 ounces. A concealed hammer design prevents snagging while preserving quick deployment characteristics favored in snub-nose carry platforms. Stainless steel construction throughout delivers longevity and corrosion resistance. A barrel length of 2 13/100 inches provides reasonable velocities while keeping overall length near 6 63/100 inches, enabling deep concealment under minimal clothing. A double-action-only trigger system simplifies operation under stress by removing hammer manipulation from defensive procedures. A synthetic grip offers weather-resistant durability and consistent tactile feedback. Night sights produce a clear advantage in low-visibility encounters, facilitating precise shot placement when ambient light fails. Cylinder capacity of 5 rounds requires careful shot selection, but reduces overall bulk compared with higher capacity options. The 357 Magnum chambering allows switching between 3/8 special practice loads and full-power Magnum defensive ammunition. A measured width near 1 7/10 inches sits slightly thicker than some J-frame variants, while remaining manageable for concealed carry. With pricing around $980, the 640 Pro occupies a premium niche for those who prioritize night sight capability and Magnum performance in an easily concealed package. Number 1. Taurus 856 Defender. Practical affordability meets dependable performance in a small frame revolver engineered for defensive use. Cylinder capacity of 6 rounds creates an immediate advantage over 5-shot competitors by providing additional follow-up shots when defensive encounters extend. Night sights, accented with orange outlines, increase visibility in low light conditions. A 3-inch barrel balances velocity with concealment requirements, and stainless steel construction yields durability across thousands of training rounds. Dual-mode single-action and double-action operation grants operational flexibility for a variety of tactical scenarios. A fixed rear sight maintains a clean profile, while an enhanced front sight promotes rapid target acquisition. Special Hogue rubber grips reduce perceived recoil and supply secure purchase during rapid-fire sequences. A transfer bar safety system prevents accidental discharge, even with the hammer resting on loaded chambers. A compact frame size enables comfortable carry, while a weight near 24 ounces aids in recoil control. An overall length of 7 1/2 inches preserves practical concealment when paired with appropriate holster selection. A matte stainless finish resists corrosion and reduces unwanted reflectivity. With a price near $526, the 856 Defender offers premium features at an accessible cost, proving that effective defensive capability need not require premium pricing. The 856 makes reliable wheelgun ownership attainable for budget-conscious shooters who insist on essential features such as elevated capacity and night sight performance. If the above material assisted in the concealed carry decision-making process, a like on the video would be appreciated. Subscription to a channel that focuses on firearms reviews and activation of the notifications feature will keep listeners informed of future content. Favorite revolver selections from experienced shooters provide valuable perspective. Comments detailing preferred wheelguns receive attention and foster constructive discussion.